Now we will quickly go through the topic punctuation. We have already discussed this topic and I am sure most of you are aware about how to use and when to use and where to use the punctuation mark. But still we will just do a recapitulation of this topic. So what is a punctuation mark? A punctuation mark is a symbol that we use to divide written words into sentences and clauses. Okay. And what are the different punctuation marks? It can be full stop or period. We can say full stop as a period also, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, and so on. So first is the full stop. When do we use full stop? Full stop is used to show that the sentence has come to an end. Okay. The full stop indicates that the sentence has come to a point and a point has been made, and now we are about to move to the next point in the sentence. Clear? So full stop always should be used to the end of the sentence. Next we use comma. Comma, first rule, where we use comma to separate words and word groups which are in a series of 3 or more. Okay. Rule 2, we use comma to separate two adjectives when the adjectives can be interchangeable in their position or in their order. Okay. For example, strong and healthy. Similarly, it can also be written as healthy and strong. Okay. Third rule of comma is that we use comma to set off the non-essential words. Okay, that means the non-essential words or clauses that comes in the middle of the sentence should always be enclosed with the comma. So these were the rules of comma. Now we come to exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is very easy. Exclamation mark is always put at the end of an exclamatory sentence. And what is an exclamatory sentence? A sentence that shows sudden expressions or emotions are called an exclamatory sentence. Okay. So we put an exclamation mark at the end of an exclamatory sentence. Question mark. Question mark is again very easy. Question mark is used at the end of a sentence when the sentence shows that a question is being asked. It is an interrogative form of sentence, and a question mark is put at the end of such a sentence. Now we come to colon. What do we mean by colon? Colon is used to connect two sentences when the second sentence summarizes or sharpens the first sentence. Okay. So we put colon means two sentences. We divide by colon. We put by colon when the second part of the sentence summarizes the first part of the sentence. Semicolon. The semicolon is used to join two independent sentences without using a conjunction like and. The group of that, what does it mean? That the group of words that come before a semicolon should form a complete meaning, and the group of words that comes after the semicolon again should form a complete meaning. And the two sentences again should be closely connected. It should not be that two separate sentences having two separate meanings are joined by semicolon. No, the two should be closely connected. Now we come to apostrophe. First apostrophe we know is that we use apostrophe in while contractions, right? So when one or more letters have been omitted, we put apostrophe to show the omission. That is called a contraction. Do not, don't. I am, I am. I am, I am. Should not, shouldn't. Did not, didn't. Apostrophe also shows possession. Okay. By putting a apostrophe s, we can show a singular noun's possession. Okay. When we put an apostrophe s, to show a singular noun's possession, see the last letter might end with a S or it might not end with S. So you should be careful. If it is a singular possession, then always you have to put apostrophe S to show possession, whether the last letter is S or not. Okay. Now let's see here. Singular nouns, we always put apostrophe S to show possession. Plural nouns that ends with S, we do not put apostrophe S, but we only put an apostrophe at the end of the S. Plural nouns not ending with S, then we put apostrophe S. Is it clear? Another thing, to form plurals of letters or numbers, we put apostrophe S with the letter or the number. Okay. I hope it's clear. Apostrophe is clear to all of you. Now we come to inverted commas. Inverted commas are also very easy. Inverted commas are only used when we use a quote. Somebody is telling something, that quotation we write within the inverted comma. But be very careful. The opening and the closing inverted comma should be matching. Okay. I'm sorry. So you're clear with inverted comma also? So that's all with punctuation. I hope punctuation is clear to you all. Okay. And be very careful while putting a punctuation mark in your sentence. Read the sentence again and again so that it becomes easy for you to understand where to put what punctuation mark. Okay? Be careful, children. Don't make a mistake. If you don't understand, see the video again, understand which punctuation is being used where, and then do it. Okay, children? Thank you.